Hmm?
What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The simple past is a verb tense. We use the simple past tense for finished past actions. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. I ate dinner 2 hours ago. I was busy last week. With regular verbs, we use the verb plus ed to form the simple past. The verb form is the same for all subjects. For example, the simple past of the verb watch is watched. I walked my dog yesterday. She played the guitar at my party last month. The students studied last night. With irregular verbs, the verb changes into a different form. We do not use ed. Here are some examples of irregular verbs. Listen and repeat. Do, did. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Go, went. Have, had. Run, ran. Say, said. Sing, sang. Sleep, slept. Write, wrote. The verb form is the same for all subjects. For example, the simple past form of the verb eat is ate. You went to Paris 2 years ago. My dog slept on my bed last night. We drank coffee yesterday morning. Be is the only simple past verb that changes forms for different subjects. The two simple past forms of the verb be are was and were. I was cold yesterday afternoon. My dog was hungry. My new shoes were expensive. Look at the picture and say or write a simple past sentence. For example, they ate pizza last night. Now you try.
Children, take page number 107 and listen carefully. Simple past tense. See how these verbs change when we use them to describe actions which took place in the past. We bake a cake every Sunday. We baked a cake yesterday. I carry my books in a bag. I carried my books in a bag. So when we change simple present into simple past, some words, not all the words, some words, to make them past, we need to add ed. Here, bake, baked, carry, carried. Filling the blanks using appropriate forms of the verbs in the box. Need, say, hear, play, try. So you have to read these sentences and write the answer. Or for example, Aro dash a toy violin. So what will be the answer? We have to take play. Play past tense, played. We need to add ed to the word. Aro played a toy violin. Next one, we dashed the rain falling on the roof. Answer is here. We heard. So we heard the rain falling on the roof. So you know, rest you have to do. You have to find the correct word. Okay. Now read these sentences. Mary drew a picture of her friend. George found a 2-rupee coin. So what is the present form of drew? Draw. Found, find. Notice how some verbs change. Draw change into drew. Find change into found. So some words, to make them past, we need to change the word. No need, not like adding ed. We need to change the word. Draw, drew, find, found. Complete these sentences using appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets in the simple past tense. So here we have to change the word. First one, Shanta dashed to the market and dashed some flowers. Bracket go by. So we need to use simple past tense of these words. So what is the past tense of go? Went. Shanta went to the market and by past tense bought, and bought some flowers. The same way, this also, you have to find the answers. I will send the answers later. So you just try to do. So you have to find the past tense of sit, eat. Easy one only. What is the past tense of sit? Sat. Eat, ate. So you just do these exercises. Okay. Next one. Let us use grammar. Here answer in full sentences using the words in brackets. So you have to read the question and answer in full sentence, complete sentences using the words in brackets. For example, when did the police catch the thief? In bracket, yesterday. So how will you answer? So first you have to find the verb of this sentence. What it is? Catch. So you can start answering from the question itself. The police, verb change into past, simple past. What is the past tense of catch? Caught. The police caught the thief yesterday. Same way. Where did you keep the toffees in bracket? In the cupboard in itself. So you change into I. I kept the toffees in the cupboard. I kept the toffees in the cupboard. What did you drink at the party? I drank. Drink change into drank. Past tense. Drink past tense. Drank. I drank orange juice at the party. Listen. I drank orange juice at the party. Then, when did you hear the news? So, how will you answer? I heard the news last week. I heard the news last week. What did the doctor tell you? The doctor, tell past tense, told. The doctor told, you change into me. The doctor told me not to be afraid. Got it? So, do this exercise also. So, write this one in the back side of your English notebook. Okay. So, when you write, you have to write carefully. So, answer in complete sentence. Next one, change the form of the verbs in these sentences to the simple past tense. So you have to change these words into simple past. For example, the doll says mama and papa. So what is the past tense of says? Say, said, S-A-I-D. So you can write the past tense above the word. Okay, so write the past tense of each word here itself in the textbook itself. Complete this exercise also. So complete these works. Study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.